Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Baby of the Year contests, an online competition that's been making waves lately. Some claim it's a fun way to win prizes, while others warn it's a total scam. So, is the Baby of the Year contest legit or should you avoid it? Let's break it down. This review is based on my personal opinion and research, so always do your own due diligence before entering any contests. The Baby of the Year contest is advertised as a competition where parents can enter their babies for a chance to win various prizes. Take Limit's a fun way to celebrate your child while supporting a good cause, as a portion of proceeds is said to go to charity, specifically Baby to Baby, a non-profit organization helping children in need. But there's a lot of skepticism around it. A post on Reddit raised concerns about privacy, saying that you're asked to share your baby's information and photos with strangers. Some even feel that a whole charity aspect seems questionable. Here's the big red flag. Many people who entered the contest have claimed that they received an email saying they were finalists without even completing the entry process. It's starting to feel like they're sending those emails to anyone who replies or who applies. One Reddit comment said, "How can there be so many finalists?" And another noted that their friend's child was supposedly in second place, only for the mom to ask everyone to vote for her. That's a bit of a red flag, right? But here's a twist. Some people argue that the contest is actually a legitimate fundraising effort. According to a few, the contest is a way to raise money for Baby to Baby, a nonprofit. This type of social media-based marketing is becoming more popular for 501 charities as it helps them reach a wider audience. So, is the Baby of the Year contest a scam? It seems to be legitimate, but with some questionable tactics. The contest does support a real charity, but the way it operates, especially how they treat finalists and solicit votes, raises some concerns. If you're comfortable with the process and want to support a good cause, go ahead and enter, but be cautious about the data you share. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.